Hi guys, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use SolidWorks 2017 for beginners. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle to origin and give the dimension 120 and this line dimension 120. Okay, select. Now go to feature and extrude. Now we can extrude 20 as well as. Okay. Now go to fillet tools, here fillet. This is fillet. Now give the value 90. Okay. Now go to here fillet 10. Here and here and here. Select. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch and normal tool. Now go to here 3-point arc slot, here and here click. Select. Now this point control this point coincident. Okay. Go to normal tool. Now give the dimension these are dimension 110 and these are dimension 10. Okay. Now this point and this point dimension 10. Okay. Now this point and this line dimension 10. Okay, select. Now draw the circle here. Okay, select. Now draw the circle. Now draw the circle here and give the dimension 10. Okay. Now select. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the normal tool and here select and here select. Now give the dimension this point and this point distance 30. Okay, select. Now here draw the circle, two circle draw. Okay, select. Now give the dimension this point and this point dimension 45. Okay, select 45. Now delete this point, connect the hair. Okay, now this point and this point dimension 12.50. Okay, now this circle dimension 50 and this circle dimension 30. Okay, select. Now here draw the line, select. Now this point control this line, coincident. Okay, now there are underdefined. You need find the problem. This line control this line parallel. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now go to isometric view. Now you can here normal tool, draw this line, this point and this point, select. Okay, now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 40 from mid plane. Okay, now here again sketch and extrude, here 20 from mid plane, Okay, now go to isometric view. Our job complete. Now you can here use shaded tools. Now give the use materials. Now we can use iron. Now here select the iron. Okay, go to isometric view. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.